it's me Sumana, and today I'm going to make two DIY things which are the most useful things for weddings. First one is this POTLI bag, or you can call wedding purse, and other one is this ethnic belt. I know there are so many options available on the market, but if you want to match with your outfit, make it with your own saree or lehenga's excess fabric, and it looks very nice. Also, it's very easy to make it. So let's get started. Making for the POTLI bag, I take this golden fabric because it goes with most of the Indian wear. First, here I take 11-inch wide and 14-inch length fabric. If you want to make it small, you can take 9-inch wide and 12-inch length fabric. We need two pieces. Then we need the same length, this type of silk fabric, and this soft paper called interfacing. You can find it in online or any boutique or fabric store. Now keep those pieces like this and stitch all the sides. Now fold it and cut it like this to give the round shape at the bottom. Do the same at the another part. Now for making it more interesting, I use this golden lace and then take another silk fabric and simply join those together. Now leave 1.5 inches space and give 1 inch gap for entering the cord. Now just cut the excess fabric. Then attach the same lace at the side like this. Stitch all around except the 1 inch gap, and now stitch the unstitched part, but remember, don't stitch two sides together. After that, I take two latkan and this type of golden cord. Just enter the cord through the gap with a safety pin. Then take out it at the same spot and add a latkan. Do the same thing at the other side as well. Lastly, for make its handle, I take these golden small beads. Make this type of cords. Then attach all of those and join it into the bag. And here ready your beautiful POTLI bag. It is so trendy right now and you can carry it with any ethnic wear outfit. For making this ethnic belt, I use this excess fabric which I use at the POTLI bag. First, just measure your waist and cut few fabric pieces in the same length. I keep 2 inches thick. Now just simply stitch the two opposite parts. Then fold it like this. For decorate it, you can use different type of lace. I use this thick lace and then I stitched it. You also can join it with glue. Lastly, I add few hooks for tie it. And here ready your simple ethnic belt. It looks very nice with saree or lehenga, anything. Those are two things which can instantly elevate your looks. Do try it and let me know how it is. If this video was anyway helpful, give a like and share it with your friends and family who have to attend any wedding function. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for watching more videos. I see you soon. Till then, bye.